If you've never bought a stock before, it can feel overwhelming. But the truth is, getting started is much easier than most people think. Today, I'll walk you step by step through how beginners can start investing in the stock market. Welcome to Wealth Made Simple. Here we break down money, investing, and finance into clear, easy steps anyone can follow. If you're ready to start investing, this video is for you. The first step is opening a brokerage account. Think of this like opening a bank account, but for investing. Popular brokerages include Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, and Webull. Most let you get started with just a small amount of money. The second step is choosing what to invest in. As a beginner, the safest choice is index funds or ETFs. These give you a piece of hundreds of companies at once, instead of betting on a single stock. This spreads your risk and makes investing more stable. The third step is dollar cost averaging. That means investing a fixed amount of money on a regular schedule, like every week or every month. This helps you avoid trying to time the market, which almost never works. By investing consistently, you build wealth steadily over time. The fourth step is keeping fees low. Some brokerages charge high fees or commissions. Always look for platforms with zero commission trades and low expense ratios. The less you pay in fees, the more of your money stays invested and growing. The fifth step is patience. The stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It grows steadily over years, not days. If you stay invested and avoid emotional decisions, your money can compound into serious wealth. So here's the quick recap. Open a brokerage account, choose index funds or ETFs, invest consistently, keep fees low, and be patient. That's how beginners can start investing in the stock market today. Which of these steps are you ready to take first? Comment below and let me know. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who wants to start their investing journey today.